Jotono sari kaham te sobani sibai. Tini angrokno election commission ni notification no tegi kisa kok share khaina ni bagai ma phaika social media ni bisingtei. Sangnukha election commission election ni date declare khaimani 4 तारिख April poll ni date. A salo sangnukha Easter Sunday kaisa Christian je followers ro borok jotono asal no kaisa lobmani khulumani abo haiklagi panda ni bisingtui kaisa khaksangma panda khlaiwi tongo tei abo haiklagi kaisa religious ni kaisa festival hai kaisa surima panda loblaima panda khaksangma panda wo election ni poll date khlaimani abo belai khene kaisa religious group no tongthogya khlaimani hai klayu tei kaisa religious no borom roya haibu nukjago abni bagai TPF ni ingei election no dakti khlainin bagai TPF no high court case file khlaigo tei high court dakti election khainani bagai bo election commission order khlaika state government no tei state government election commission high court ni honor khaigeino date bo declare khaika abni bagai pipeline hambai election commission state government no tanike court ni order no borok follow khaigei election khainani masai tokmani bagai phiaba orokok kaisa sanani ke haisi sai tokani thangthani go sal kabang matongo oro Easter Sunday no kaisa no a sal no tei manjagya naitugui manya haiklaigi sal bokjakmani voting ni poll ni sal bokjakmani obo belaikhe secular country no kaisa agat khlaimani klayu abni bagai TPF tini election commission no memorandum submit khlaika o sal no nori kobun date khainani bagai 24 घन्टा ni bisingo o sal no nori kubun date khainani bagai election commission no khabai khobai koijaka tomung 24 घन्टा ni bisingo o sal no nori kubun date khainani bagai borok ni samung botang sengjagi angkhangkhe TPF court do thangnani bagai yapri senai tamni khangkhe every Indian citizen Indian secular status no respect honor khainani sini duty abni bagai যে কোনো সময় এনি টাইম যদি কেবি ইন্ডিয়ান সিটিজেন মিস্টেকিংই তংখে আবনো তে ওইসা সংশোধন খাইনানি বাগै যতनो जों मा फुनुकलायनाय मा सालायनाय मा बासालायनाय आंखा खायगो इलेक्शन कमिशन अबनो कोर्ट थांयानि सकांनो गाहाम खलायगै सेक्युलर स्टेटास नो रेसपेक्ट रनानि बांगै ते रखा खायनानि बागै बो आगोगै फायनाय हामबाय ते सबानि सिबाय नासिङै तंगु 24 hours I will share a little with you about TTADC election notification. Lately, the Tripura Election Commission has fixed the polling day on 4th April 2021. But that day is Easter Sunday. The day is very important for Christians. In secular India, all religious ceremonial days should be respected. So, we requested the Election Commission of Tripura to change it. If it is not considered within 24 hours, we will be forced to go to the court. I hope every Indian citizen of India will strive to uphold the status of a secular state. Thank you all.
2. The Election Commissioner Government of Tripura Agartala, Tripura. Sub. Modification of the date of polling of the TTA-ADC election 2021. In Ref. 1. Notification No F.2, 14, EC, DC/Genelec, 2020 17521 dated the 2nd of March 2021. 2. Notification No. F.2, L, EC, DC/Gen LSI 20201175911760 dated the 4th of March 2021. Sir. With due respect, we wish to kindly submit before your good self that as per the aforesaid 2 notifications, the polling schedule for the ensuing TTA-ADC elections 2021 have been notified. the date of polling has been fixed on the 4th of April 2021. In this regard, we request you to kindly consider our request to modify the date of polling as notified, because the 4th of April 2021 happens to be Easter Sunday, which is a very important day for the Christians, who have a major presence in the TTA-ADC areas. Even other indigenous people residing in the TARC areas actively participate in the Easter Sunday celebrations. Sir, the celebrations of Easter Sunday will begin on the intervening midnight of 3rd-4th April and will continue the whole day of 4th of April 2021 with church services, mass prayers, etc. It is therefore evident that if the polling date is not changed, then the same will create avoidable difficulties and prevent many eligible voters from exercising their franchise. It goes without saying that the right to vote is a very valuable legal right, the enjoyment of which is crucial to a meaningful electoral process. Also, it has always been the practice of the election commissions to avoid conducting polls on days coinciding with the celebration of any religious or cultural function of any section of the society. Sir, in view of what has been stated above, we most respectfully pray and request that your good self shall accede to our prayer and modify the date of polling from the 4th of April 2021 to any other suitable date. To bring clarity on the issue and clear all misgivings that have arisen, we earnestly request you to do the needful and issue the necessary notification within the next 24 hours, and please oblige. Thanking you, your faithfully Miss P.K. Jamtiati, P.F. President. Mr. Kanti Lal Deb Burma TPF Secretary General.